Hey everyone, so we are back with another tutorial. Today we are going to be doing some coloring pages using Microsoft Bing, which is a digital image creator. I have about 13 lightning bolts available to me. So let's see what we can create. So I had to copy and paste this prompt because I did it before I wanted to test it out. So coloring pages of a beautiful African American, it's supposed to be woman with big eyes, with glasses, and you describe everything. No shading, thick lines, wide enough for coloring, no color. There has always been an issue doing these coloring pages because sometimes they don't come out very clear. They're very I don't know, they just have a lot of shading, so they don't give you that coloring page look. So let's try and see if we can create something right now. So just a reminder that Bing is a free online software image creator. You cannot sell the images that you create here. They will find you, so don't even try. But you can practice on here for now. I know in the future they plan to have a paid subscription. So, okay, she cute. Very, very cute. So let's see what else that we got. I really like that one. The nose kind of looks weird and the finger kind of looks weird, but that's okay. We're going to download it anyways. But this is a good start for doing coloring pages because coloring pages always were my nemesis. So I think I changed the prompt here and we're going to take out zoomed in with coffee in hand. I did try a couple times to try and get like the full body. It didn't quite work out, but whatever. So once again, once your lightning bolts are gone, you do have to wait for the next 24 hours to get another free 15 lightning bolts. Otherwise, you'll be waiting forever and a day because everybody is on this. So also these are very cute. And I'm going to take one and select it. If you want me to leave the prompt below, I can definitely do that, or you can screenshot it here. Just remember you have to be very descriptive, very, very descriptive when it comes to the coloring pages, or else you won't get exactly what you want. So that is the key to that. So let's scroll down and see previously what I made for coloring pages. I did change the prompts quite a bit. Didn't love these ones. These ones are okay. And this is where the shading issue is. So that's what we have to watch out for. But I do like these ones because it actually shows in detail with the braids. These are my favorite, that style. So I downloaded her. And what I would do if I was on a software program that allowed me to sell them, I would actually upscale these to make them more crisp and make the lines more dark. Because when you see my printout, I did a printout. If you keep watching, you'll see it. And it wasn't as dark. It's more of a gray. This one is so cute too. Like, come on, girl. Yes. Anyways, so that's the key to that. Making sure you prompt effectively. But nonetheless, this is really, really, really cute. And then I did some Christmas ones. Didn't go into detail with that, but that's fine. So what I'm going to do is you could either upload them and print them right away. I'm going to actually upload mine into my good old faithful Canva because I actually want to put some wording at the bottom. So I'm just going to use regular paper size, which is what, 8.5. I don't even remember. 8.5 by 11. I don't even remember. But like, I'm just really winging it right now. And I'm going to upload my images. Like I said, you could upscale this and you can get a better quality image. So we're just going to continue to do that. Once again, Canva is free, but you don't get all the features like the magic eraser and the background remover and stuff like that. So let's go and upload our image. So we're going to go over here. Sometimes I don't even know where my files are, honestly, because I am like using two different softwares. Either I use Mac or I use PC. So don't come after me, but like that's just how it is, okay? So as you can tell, I just love creating images. So I'm going to take this image over here and I'm actually going to fill it the whole entire screen because I want to be able to like really color it. But boom, look at that. How cute is that? So we're going to upload another one. Let's see where we go. My brain is not working. But anyways, I'm going to actually do words on this one, and I'm just going to put like cutie. And I'm going to show you something that you can do, because then you can make the letters also colorable. So let's choose like something, a font. Again, this is a paid font because it has a little crown on it. Just remember. But let's go and see. And then you're going to go to effects, which in fact I went to the wrong area. But you go to effects. And then you go to hollow, and look at that. You now have a cute little cutie that you can color in. So we're going to upload another image. And I mean, you could create a coloring book within the afternoon, y'all. And like, even if you have parties and you want to do like a little giveaway bag, this is perfect for that. A nice little giveaway bag for the kitties. So we're going to do all that. And we're going to upload it here. And I mean, you would have sized this better. I'm just actually just doing this really quick. Her nose looks kind of funky. Her fingers looks kind of weird. Again, if this was a paid software and you were selling this, I would probably fix that first. Anyways, I think that's pretty good. I mean, if you just want to be coloring just for stress-free, you know, afternoon, this is pretty good. So check out the printed version. So, not bad. They actually look really cute. Like, how cute is that? You know, I would have sized it appropriately, but how cute is that? And then I'm going to show you the color version, which in fact, I clearly don't know how to color properly, but whatever. Anyways, if you like this content and this was valuable to you, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Bye.